Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can deploy a Lovable project step by step, okay? And how are you going to be able to do this is very simple. I just want you to go to lovable.tab and I want you to select, the project that you want to publish, that you want to deploy. In my case, it's going to be this one. I show you how to create this web page in another tutorial. And what are you going to do? Once it's ready and once it's ready to publish, when you think it's good enough, what I want you to do is I just want you to go to publish in here, to this little blue button, okay? Just click in here. And now this is going to show you basically the website address, which you can actually modify if you want to make it different. You can modify this, okay? The thing is that this is going to have like a lovable.app ending because I'm on the free plan, but you can also have like a custom domain. If you push this button here, this is going to show you the description and the images. Okay, this is fine. But what we can actually do is we can click on update or publish. You're going to get this button here, so just click on it. And once you click, it's going to take a while, but it's going to be updated and published, and the site is going to be accessible to the people. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much.